testing The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered in Steam Deck LCD. So I will show you the graphic settings that the game will look so sharp and good graphics. So here we go. If you want some demanding graphics, do not look blurred, here's the graphics I will show you. Then in level of detail, set that to higher. Then texture quality, dynamic object texture quality, set that to higher. Characters texture quality, very high. Then visual effects quality, high. Then texture filtering 8 times. Then medium on quality. Then in screen space reflection, SSR quality set to high. Then SSR distance high. Then that motion blur quality high. Medium. Then let's go in display. And 800p. Then set to DLSS frame generation. Then set this upscaling sharpness to 5. Then that's all. And let's see the gameplay. So this is the gameplay. Just look at that, how sharp it is. 60 fps. Look at the grass. Let's try go in the outside. Damn. Just look at that. How sharp that is. And just stick in 60 fps. The environment looks very clear, and the FPS doesn't move, it's locked at 60. So that's it. Thank you for watching.